Hello everyone, this is demonstration of a desktop voice assistant made in Python. It performs tasks using commands user give through voice. It can automate tasks and in the end of the day can save your keystrokes and time. It can answer your queries, able to tell you the current time, open Google, YouTube, Stack Overflow, Netflix, or even social networking sites such as Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. The e-commerce sites such as Amazon. It can show you live cricket scores using crickbuzz.com, play music, play videos, open any Windows application like Calendar, Windows Store, Maps, and can also update apps from Windows Store as well as Windows Update. It is also able to show you computer security status, weather outside, and can search anything on YouTube as well as Google. Can switch its voice, search any file on computer, open disk cleanup or file explorer, defragment disk, and finally can shut down Windows 10. I will be showing this in live action. Let's search a file.
Welcome J.A.R.V.I. Good morning. I am ready to process your commands.
Search text file on computer. Register.
Searching register.txt status will be shown below.
So it searches the file. To make this more handy, you can use a gesture. For example, I have used the 3-finger gesture to fire my voice assistant up.
Welcome J.A.R.V.I. Good morning. I am ready to process your commands.
What is random access memory?
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, random access memory, RAM, is a form of computer data storage that stores data and machine code currently being used. A random access memory device allows data items to be read or written in almost the same amount of time irrespective of the physical location of data inside the memory.
What is machine learning?
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, machine learning, ML, is the scientific study of algorithms and statistical models that computer systems use in order to perform a specific task effectively without using explicit instructions, relying on patterns and inference instead. It is seen as a subset of artificial intelligence.
Open Chrome.
Opening Google Chrome.
So here it goes. Chrome's open up. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Okay, here you come YouTube. Open Twitter.
Opening Twitter.
Open Stack Overflow.
Opening Stack Overflow.
Open Instagram.
Opening Instagram.
Open Amazon.
Opening Amazon.in.
Open ClickBuzz.
Opening crickbuzz.com for World Cup 2019. Cricket score, schedule, latest news.
Play music.
I am sorry about that. Please say again.
Play music.
Playing music.
Play videos. Tell me the time.
Monday, July 10 hours 2 minutes and 2 seconds 2019.
Open Windows Store.
Opening Windows Store. I am sorry about that. Please say again.
Update apps from Windows Store.
Opening Windows Store's update menu.
In this, you will be redirected to Downloads and Update menu in Windows Store directly. Open News. Open News.
Opening News app.
Open Security Status.
Showing security status.
Here you will find security at a glance of your computer. Open Control Panel.
Opening Control Panel.
Here you come Control
I am
Panel.
sorry about that. Please say again.
Show Weather.
Opening Weather app.
Open Windows Update.
Opening Windows Update in settings.
You will be directed directly to the Windows Update menu in Settings.
Opening Windows Update in settings.
Oh, it actually took my voice twice. Open Settings.
Opening Settings app.
Search Google. Cats.
I am sorry about that. Please say again.
Search YouTube. Starboy.
Searching YouTube for Starboy. I am sorry about that. Please say again.
Change your voice.
Switching my default voice.
Changed my default voice.
Defragment disk.
Opening disk defragment tool.
Shut down engine. So that was all about my desktop voice assistant.
Shutdown protocol initiated. Powering myself down.